So today's video, I decided to do something a little bit different. I am going to get a bunch of like my beauty things that I get that have nothing to do with makeup. I'm getting my brows done. I'm getting, well, you know what? I'm not even going to tell you. You guys are just going to have to watch to see. But these are all the extra things that I like to do for my skin, for my face, just to kind of stay looking the best I can look. And I thought it would be cool to share that with you guys because, you know, this is what I want to know. I want to know all the secrets. I want to know what people are doing other than just makeup. So that is what we are doing in today's video. I have to show you guys my skin. My skin has been looking amazing. Of course, like the sun is not helping right now to show you guys. I am posting a video that's coming up of a skincare challenge that I did with Clarins. It is unreal how much it transformed my skin, you guys. Like, look at my skin right now. My skin looks so good. I'm so impressed. It's such a good video. You'll make sure you check it out. It's just stay tuned for it. It's so good. Let's go to first appointment. I am on my way to get my eyebrows done. I think I've been telling you guys that my brows haven't been groomed in a while and they look crazy. Look at that. Look how bushy and undone they are. They don't look crazy, but they could just look so much better. And that's kind of like the whole point of today. It's like I'm not getting anything done to like change the way I look, but just to make myself look better. Improvements. So I love to get my brows done at the same place. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills in Beverly Hills, and I always go to the same girl. Her name is Jasmine. She's great. She like trains all the other eyebrow artists, so she's like one of the top girls there, and that is who we're on our way to see now. You have on the shape right now. Obviously they look crazy because I haven't done them in forever, but
yeah. Well, I would like a little bit more hair down here. If you have just like a few strands here and there, like right there.
Got it.
It's a bit more complete that way.
Yeah.
See?
And then what about the ends? How do you feel?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it gives you that nice little lift. But you want to make sure that you keep it as long as possible.
Okay. She says I have fabulous brows, you guys. Wow, those are boom. All right, guys, brows are all done. Look at that. Look how nice they look. Need to like rewind the video a little bit to how my brows looked before compared to how they look now. Look at the difference. So she always fills them in a little bit more than I like because like I don't like my brows so harsh like this. But like once I take, like, look how perfect these are. Seriously, you guys gotta compare the before and after. When I go fill them in, I do it a lot softer, but now that that shape is there, it just makes my life so much easier when I fill them in. It's like way less work, but I definitely recommend getting your brows professionally done because it just makes such a difference, you guys. It just makes your brows look so perfect. I'm obsessed. I love it. Next stop on the beauty day is time to get a little Botox. So I've never talked about Botox on my channel before. Not that like I'm against it because obviously I get it and I love it. But as you guys can see, I have all this movement right now because I don't have barely any Botox. I usually get Botox probably like maybe like every 5 months. I don't get a lot. I get very little, but I just like my face just looking super smooth, and that's what Botox does. It just makes your face and your skin just look super smooth. It makes you not have any lines. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me because I know a lot of people like get like scared about Botox, or like when you don't know about it you think that you're gonna look crazy. Like that, but that's not it at all. Like, look how much movement I have. Yeah, if you get it done by someone really good, and if you get like a little bit done, I like being very conservative with my Botox. It can look really pretty because it just makes your skin just look totally smooth, no lines, and that's what I love. So I'm going to the place that I go to downtown LA. You guys are coming with me. What are we doing?
Around the eyes, we're doing a little bit of Botox. Perfect, that's a perfect little smiley squint. And we'll do a little poke here. And poke. Give me a big smiley squint. And then poke. Relax. And I said poke. That was the cutest thing ever. I'm like, that is like the best compliment ever.
What kind of Botox do you guys use here? I've never asked that.
Botox. So like the brand name Botox. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There's different places that will have like Dysport or Xeomin, things
Exactly,
like that.
yeah.
We also have Dysport. We just don't use it as much. I'll use it if somebody requests it, or if somebody's having like Botox isn't working for them, then I'll go to Dysport.
What about that other one, this last one you just said?
Xeomin we don't have here.
Yeah.
So it's usually very, very soft.
Yeah.
It doesn't usually last very long.
Got it.
Okay, give me a big raise. And relax. And a little poke. And then raise. Relax. And poke. And then raise. And relax. And poke. You have the best skin though.
Oh my god, you're so sweet. I don't know how you're saying that, but
Amazing skin. Truthfully. And poke. And raise again, Jimmy. Relax. So right here I'm just looking at like where the muscle's kind of bunching and seeing the strength of the muscle. And relax. Good job.
I have a very expressive face. Like I laugh really hard and I laugh a lot. So
It calms things down.
yeah.
And relax. And a poke. And poke. And then frown again. And relax. And poke. Good job. Just soften things up.
Just finished, you guys. Within like a couple of weeks is when you really just see all the effects. And yeah, it just makes everything look smooth. It doesn't change my face in any way. It just makes everything look smoother. So I was planning to also get this procedure called microneedling, but the nurse told me that it actually has a little bit of downtime. It has like a 24-hour downtime at least, because it makes your skin like super pink and red, and I didn't know that. So I can't do that today because I have an event tonight and I have to shoot tomorrow. So it's too bad because I really wanted to show it to you guys. So basically microneedling is like a procedure that's done to your face where it just really helps smooth out skin texture. So I feel like I have a lot more texture than I've ever had, especially around my pores. I just want my skin to look super smooth, like a baby's butt basically, and microneedling is really good for that. This sun right now, my goodness, so much better. Oh my god, it was getting so intense, you guys. But yeah, so next time I go and get microneedling done, I'll definitely bring you guys with me. I think it's amazing for your skin. The nurse said that you can get it every 4 to 6 weeks. The more often you do it, the more better results you'll see. All these little things make a difference, you guys, and I know that like it's nothing too invasive, like it's not like major surgery or anything like that, but it's like these little things that just help make you like a little bit more enhanced, you know what I mean? But not to the point where anyone will actually know you did anything. You'll still look super natural, which is always the vibe that I'm going for. You guys know that. Looking refreshed and looking young and looking, you know, alive, and I don't know. So that's basically it for my beauty treatments today. I'm about to go get my nails done. Okay guys, I am back in my makeup room. It's been the longest day, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm getting ready for an event, so I thought I would show you guys a little BTS of the look. So I'm just about to start. I'm very excited to fill in my brows because it's gonna be very easy to fill them in. It's a disaster in my makeup room. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek, but don't judge me. Are you ready? It's so bad. Okay, so I am just about to start doing my face. Okay guys, I just finished filming. I just finished filling in my brows and it literally took me 2 seconds to do. It's so much easier and I just want to show you guys. I love using my Blendiful. Is that what that's called? I can't even remember. Blendiful? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Oh my god. I love using my Blendiful just to kind of press in my foundation. It really helps to set your makeup. So I've done foundation and concealer and then I just go in with this and just kind of press everything in. Okay guys, makeup is all done and I'm obsessed. Can I just tell you, between the Botox and the brows, this makeup just came together so easily. I can't even explain to you. Like I just feel better. I feel better. Anyways, I'm off to an event tonight and it's going to be a really fun event. You guys might know Salt and Pepper. They are performing for Milani Cosmetics. So that's why I'm kind of dressed in 90s vibes. But I hope you guys like this video. I know it was something a little bit different. I really enjoyed it. If I get some good footage from tonight, I'll include it in the vlog. If not, there you go. Brows, Botox, a little skin treatment. Next time for sure I get to go to microneedling. I will bring you guys along with me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Add me on Instagram at Eman. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.